Hey everyone, how's it going? So I hope you have a great day so far. In this video we are going to show you step by step how you can install Lightroom presets on your Android smartphone, and we're not going to make this complex. After the short video, which is only about 5 minutes long, you will be able to import photos into Lightroom. You will be able to edit them within Lightroom with our presets, and you will be able to export them out of Lightroom so you can then go ahead and share them with your friends and family, with your loved ones, and of course on social media too. So let's just dive right in. So first of all, we're going to install the app Lightroom, which is free on the Google Play Store. Just swipe down, type in Lightroom and press the button search on Google Play Store. The Google Play Store will open. You will head directly to the app where you can then install it. After a few seconds, your app should be ready to go. It should be installed. And we can go ahead to step number 2, which is downloading the presets to your phone. And if you purchased with velvetandcolor.com, you will receive an email which includes a license key and also a button with a direct digital download. You can just go ahead and press the button like shown in the video and you will head directly towards the download page. And we made this a very convenient process, so you don't have to do anything. You just have to wait until the download is finished and we can continue to the third step, which is unzipping the package. So by now I will just assume that your download is ready. Just click on it and the file browser will open and you can navigate towards the mobile presets, where we're then going to uncompress these files. And please make sure, this is very important, to follow the video step by step, because if you don't uncompress these files correctly, you will not be able to import them into Adobe Lightroom, into the mobile Lightroom app at all. So please bear with us and we will finish this in no time. And with all that being said, I'm going to take a little break right now and we see each other in the next step, where we're then going to import the presets into Lightroom so we can use them to edit our photos. Okay, now we are here at step number 4, which is importing the presets into Lightroom. And first of all, we have to make sure to open the Lightroom app. Then we are going to create a new album and we are going to name this album Presets. Then press OK and open the presets album. And yeah, then we are going to add our presets. This is basically the location where you will always have access to these presets. This is the place where you store them. So just navigate to the folder from the previous step. If you followed our video, you should have a folder in your DCIM folder which is called Lightroom Presets. Just select all of them and hit the open button. Lightroom will import them automatically. It shouldn't take too long. And yeah, we just wait a few seconds until everything is imported correctly and we can then go ahead and edit our first photo with these presets. To do that, just select the preset, click on it and then press the 3 dots in the right upper hand corner, copy settings, leave everything as shown, press the check mark to copy the settings. Then navigate back towards your library, where you can then select the folder All Photos, and this is the location where you can import your photos from your camera roll from your phone. And you can then press the dots in the upper right hand corner, paste the settings, and you have a finished edited photo. It is as easy as that. Just one click and you will be there. It is really that easy, guys. The only thing that is left to say is we don't know the conditions your photos are shot in. So basically we would recommend to check the light settings, and under the light you can adjust the exposure via the slider. And if you slide it to the left, the image will get darker. If you slide it to the right, the image will get brighter. It is also a very good idea to check the white balance under the color temperature sliders. If you push it towards the right hand side, you will get a warmer look. If you push it towards the left hand side, you will get a cooler look. But don't worry, you can really use all of these adjustments, but also retain the previously applied preset, alias the color grade. And yeah, it is just very, very handy. It makes a very fast edit and will get you great results. So the last step there is to export the image to your device, and it is basically done in 2 steps as you have seen in the video. And by now you have the image in your camera roll. You can send it to your friends, share it on social media, send it to your loved ones. And with all that being said, I'm going to sign off right now. I hope you will continue to have a great rest of the day, and we see each other in the next one. Bye bye.